Hey guys, so we're out here in Temecula and we're celebrating our birthday weekend by staying in an Airstream. So we're gonna give you guys a quick tour of it. Probably add a little mukbang at the very end. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so over here is kind of like the seating area, but we used it kind of for all our bags. Lots and lots of windows here. And what I really like about this spot is there's a lot of like hidden nooks. So like this one has games, this one has blankets. He's curious. This is a little breakfast nook. We'll probably eat breakfast, I don't know, today or tomorrow. But here's the kitchen. There's a little range here, sink. You gotta have some wine glasses, of course. This is probably the cutest thing I've ever seen at an Airbnb. They make their own like bread. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? They also have their own chickens. This is the fridge here. I thought it was the oven at first, but that didn't really make sense. There's an oven here. Inside the fridge, they have their own eggs that their chickens hatch. Oh, it's legit when you got like the blue-green egg right there. You guys see that? Seasonings, I guess some people choose to cook when they stay in the Airstream. I really like this cork thing right here. Oh, that toaster will be handy. Microwave. Good to know where all this stuff is. I actually haven't looked through any of this stuff. Alright, so here's the sleeping quarters. I'm sleeping on this side of the bed, and this is Mark's side. So identical sides. A lot of the panels in here, the lights, are like these like switchy on things. More storage. Isn't that crazy how much they could fit in there? Oh, more pillows. Probably use these. Onward to the bathroom, el baño. Storage on each side. This one's like, I guess to hang any coats and whatnot. Is that an iron? I don't even know what that is. It's a toilet, very interesting. Kind of reminds me of like airport toilets, and then there's like a pedal right here. You just press on it and it opens, and then it like gets rid of all the stuff. Vanity here, sink, whatnot. Some mirrors up here, you guys can see that. And then here's the shower. This was very interesting to take a shower in yesterday, but it worked. I mean, just have to like be conscious about like not standing straight up because you might bonk your head on it. The really cool thing is there's little doors for privacy, so not everyone needs to see your business. Pretty spacious. I think we paid like $130 a night for it. No, hey, sit, sit, hey, sit, sit, stay.
You want some coffee?
I'm okay. He likes the country eggs too. Oh, yes. So we're waiting for our lift. We're about to go wine tasting and head back here before the sun goes down.
2019 BOMEA. Fermented in concrete versus wood, so it has a really nice spin around it too. Here you are. You have the salami.
God.